In this video, we will review how to use the cycle count feature within RapidGO. To begin, we will tap on the cycle count menu option. Immediately, we can begin scanning in items. Or we can tap on the cogwheels in the upper right-hand corner. When we do this, we have two options. We can prompt for previous quantity or prompt for quantity. Prompt previous quantity will give you this warning. Prompt for previous quantity will automatically input the previous quantity on hand for the item that you've scanned in. So if there were 5 on hand when you began the count and you scanned an item in, it will default that quantity to 5. Alternatively, you could select prompt for quantity. This works as it does in the other modules. When inputting an item, like so, we will be presented the following field. Drilling into the field, we can manually input the count. Before you send the cycle count over to Counterpoint, you can view the items that you've counted in the field just above the Done button. When you're ready to send this to Counterpoint, tap on the Done button. At this point, you can sign into Counterpoint and post this physical count.